property here. The last thing that I heard was that plots were going for $7,500 per plot. Now, all of the intricate details, I leave that to the person who runs this project. I don't want to tell somebody something that ain't so, and you'll come back and say, I could have said, I just don't own this. So what I say ain't that important. But I can say that it is a good place if you want to retire. As you can take a look at Nana Prempeh's place, and we'll just walk around and see some of the other houses that are really very well built. And it's a nice community. If you go straight ahead, the ocean is right there in front of you, okay? And it is hot, and I am ready to take over all my clothes. Greetings.
Yeah, that's right. That's the Rossmore from Atlanta.
UNIA Division 421.
President of 421 UNIA in Atlanta.
What? Get a chair. Come on with you. Come on, not with you, sir.
Sass, you sit down.
You sit down.
You sit down, Sass.
Yeah, Rossmore in 421. Card carrying. UNIA.
So Nana Prempeh, tell our group what influenced you to repatriate.
What got me to repatriate?
Yes.
Garvey.
Absolutely, I know the answer, but I wanted you to share that with everyone.
Marcus beside Garvey.
That's it. Everything go back to Garvey.
I'm a second generation Garveyite.
All right.
My parents were active Garveyites. My father was the former president of the Brooklyn UNIA Division. That's no longer. And I've been an officer of the UNIA, official of the UNIA since 50 now.
Wow.
58.
It's a long time.
But knowing Africa that I do, like I do, it was naturally for me to come here,
Yeah.
you know, to get out of the rat race back in Babylon. You know. But I understood that it's not easy
Excuse me, age before.
to relocate. You know, be honest with you, you just can't get up out of your house and say, I'm gonna move. You have to have the right mind concept. You got to know what you're gonna do when you get there, how you're gonna live, you have to think of all those things before you move out. So I had that in my mind, in my plan, because excuse me, was that the Honorable Marcus Garvey had set up in the organization an idea that African from the diaspora will come in different stages. You know, first some will come for the first 2 or 3 years, 5 years, and so forth. So it was important for people to begin to plan like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. I mean, even that far in the past. We wasn't going to get up and go to Africa like that. Okay, you have to go there. And depending upon where we was, you have to get acclimated to the areas. So when I started out, naturally, I knew about Ghana because I belonged to the Cons in America organization. Okay, that I learned about Ghana, you know, the ways, you know, the spiritual and the way to live here. So that was my introduction into where I was going and what I was going to do. Then, okay.
Righteous is laying against the bell.
Righteous, righteous. I think you're leaning on the bell. Leaning on the bell. Oh, coconut. Sorry, righteous. Coconut.
So bell
Somebody coming
ring.
in or somebody going out?
Oh no, they're just excited. They're just excited. They want to move here with you.
Who's that?
All the wonderful people that's on the bus.
How many people you bringing, brother?
It's a bus load. It's a bus load. They're trying to run, make a big rush.
It's like it is.
So this property is still available.
Hallelujah.
So this property is still
Well, first of all,
available.
let me say officially, a father.
Well, you don't say